This is the desert city of Yazd in Iran. It is popular for one of the outstanding examples of Iranian architecture, the Jame Mosque. This 14th century mosque is a great example of geometric Islamic pattern design. In fact, we can see these Islamic patterns everywhere, in mosques, palaces, and private homes. Despite these complex looking beautiful designs, the fundamental rule for creating these patterns are based on very simple geometry. One just needs a compass and a ruler to create these art forms. Islamic art mostly avoids figurative image representation as they were forbidden in many holy books. So the artists explored non-figural art and shifted towards mathematically based decorations. These patterns derive from simpler designs used in earlier cultures, Greek, Roman, and Sasanian. So let's understand how these patterns work. The base for every design is a circle, and it is followed by mostly dividing the circle in 4, 5, 6, or 8 equal sections. Each division becomes the underlying grid for various patterns. We can categorize the patterns by number of divisions. Mostly patterns have star at the center and petal shapes attached to it. If it's a 6-sided star, then it falls under the 6-fold category. One with 8 petals or 8-sided star falls under 4-fold category. Each pattern will have an intricate invisible grid which helps the artist to create more and more complex patterns. For example, we create a circle within a square and divide it into 8 equal segments, then overlay them with a pair of crisscrossing lines. These lines are called construction lines. Various designs are possible from the same set of construction lines just by picking different segments. Repeating this one tile in a grid gives us many intricate design forms. This process is called tessellation. 4-fold pattern fits in a square grid, and 6-fold pattern in a hexagonal grid. But 5-fold patterns tessellation are a bit different. They don't fit neatly. So to fit a 5-fold pattern in a grid, other shapes need to be added to make it repeatable. This more than 1,000-year-old tradition has yielded basic geometry to produce works that are intricate, decorative, and pleasing to the eye. And these craftsmen prove just how much is possible with some artistic intuition, creativity, dedication, and with a great compass and ruler.